Welcome to Banker Sati friends. In this video, we shall discuss regarding LIC IPO. In recent time, we have seen many IPOs hitting the Indian stock market. Some of them has been successful, but many of them has not been so successful. In fact, few of them has been failed badly. Now, Government of India had decided to bring LIC IPO. In this video, we shall discuss why LIC is so special, why LIC IPO is not an ordinary IPO, how big this company is. Friends, LIC is the largest life insurer in India across the parameters of. In fact, if we have to measure size of any insurance company, we have different parameters like gross written premium, new business premium, number of individual policies issued, and number of group policies issued. In all these parameters, LIC is way ahead than its competitors. In fact, it has 61.4% market share. And its nearest competitor has only market share of 9.16%. So LIC is not only number one, but number one by a huge margin. There is so much difference between number one and number two. In fact, it is ranked 5th globally by Life Insurance GWP and 10th globally in terms of total asset. So it has global presence. As of December 31st, 2021, LIC had 2048 branch offices and 1559 satellite offices in India. So in India, it is almost omnipresent. It is covering 91% of all district in the country. So everywhere, every part of country, LIC is present. It has over 13.5 lakh agent who bring most of the new business. So this is a unique feature. LIC has 13.5 lakh agent, which is a big number. And most of the business to LIC is brought by these agents. Now, if you talk about funds which LIC has, LIC manages assets worth more than rupees 40 lakh crore, which is greater than the entire mutual fund industry combined. So, see, so much fund LIC has. It has 40 lakh crore, which is a huge amount, and it is more than the total mutual fund industry combined, not one mutual fund company, but total mutual fund industry combined. And what LIC does with this fund, how it uses it? It invests these funds across the stock and bonds. And by investing this, it owns 4% of all the listed stock in India and more government bond than RBI. So see how much fund LIC has and how they use this fund. LIC is biggest investor in Indian stock market. Now coming to this IPO, LIC IPO is biggest in the history of Indian capital market. It is not an ordinary IPO, it is biggest in Indian capital market. And price band has been fixed at 902 to 949 and face value of its share will be 10 rupees each. Discount will be provided to all the policy holders, eligible policy holders, 60 rupees discount, which is good. 60 rupees discount will be provided to its eligible policy holders and discount of 45 rupees will be offered to retail investor and employees. The Government of India is aiming to garner 21,000 crore by liquidating 3.5% of its stake. Now here is the answer why Government of India has brought this IPO. Because Government of India needs fund and by just liquidating 3.5% of its stake, it will get 21,000 crore, which is a huge amount. The IPO is entirely an offer for sale of 22 crore 13 lakh 74,920 equity shares by the government, which will receive the entire proceed from the IPO. Of the total offer size, 50% of the net offer will be reserved for qualified institutional investors, 35% for retail investor, and remaining 15% will go for non-institutional investors. So this is the bifurcation. And after this IPO, Government of India will stake of Government of India will reduce to 96.5%. As of now, it is 100%. After this IPO, the stake will come down to 96.5%. Lot size, if we talk about lot size, investor can bid for a minimum lot size of 15 shares and in multiple of 15, 30, 45 like this. A retail investor can invest maximum up to 14 lots. Up to 14 lots a retail investor can apply. The maximum bid amount, retail investor, LIC employee, LIC policy holder has been capped at 2 lakh. So most of the retail investor, policy holders, we can bid for 2 lakh. and shares will be allotted to successful bidders on May 12, and the refund of unsuccessful bidder will be credited their account on May 13. So if your bid is successful, you will get shares on 12th of May, and if your bid is unsuccessful, then you will get your refund on 13th of May. So this is all about LIC IPO, and most of the analysts, most of the market experts, they are saying that this valuations are very reasonable for LIC, and this IPO is going to be a very success. This is going to be a historical moment. So friends, this is all about LIC IPO. Thank you.